Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can change the header size in Site123. So let's just start here. First, what you want to do is go here to the design, click here on customize, and you're gonna see it here how advanced. Click on it. When you're gonna click on it, you're gonna see it here website menu navigation, and then you're gonna see it here header size. And you can change it to big, to large, or even to huge, or to have it like a normal. I recommend when you're gonna change the header size, I recommend you like making bigger your font size. So that's pretty important. So that's kind of it. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, provide you some guidance and feedback. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.